I'm John Hanson, the managing attorney of the American Law Firm. What you're about to view today is a short video on frequently asked questions about power of attorney decisions for healthcare. If you or anyone you know has questions on this issue or in any other legal matter, call the American Law Firm at 815-394-1776 for a free consultation today. Our attorneys here have decades of experience, and they can help you navigate through the options available to you to reach your goals. There are more than one type of power of attorney instrument. There's the general power of attorney, which gives immediate and general authority to an individual to manage another individual's affairs. Then there is the power of attorney for healthcare decisions, which does not take effect until you are unable to manage your own affairs in most cases. A common type of power of attorney for healthcare decisions I'm talking about has the following information generally. It will state a person's name who is appointed as the go-to person for doctors and healthcare professionals to make decisions. This person is called an agent. Now, they come into play when you are yourself unable to make decisions due to being in a condition that prevents you from understanding what's going on. For example, you may be in a coma. Now, this will also have instructions and limits on what the person designated can and cannot do for you. Now, certain decisions like when not to resuscitate you can also be listed in the power of attorney for healthcare. Generally, the power of attorney for health will have an instruction in it that says it will kick in when it is determined that you do not have capacity. And that determination of whether or not you have capacity will be determined by a physician, if that's what it says in the power of attorney. Now, this takes the guesswork and the possible family debates out of the scenario. It's definitely advantageous to have a power of attorney prepared because you never know. 3, 2, 1. It's definitely advantageous to have a power of attorney for healthcare prepared, mostly because you never know when you're going to suddenly be out of commission. If you don't have one, the healthcare professionals will try to find your next of kin and discuss with them what should be done with you medically. And that's a situation that can create a great deal of debate and disagreement. Now, some of you may remember the case of Terri Schiavo, which involved a protracted legal struggle where the family could not agree on medical decisions for her due to her being in a coma. The legal battle took a long time and cost a great deal of money, making headlines regarding the proper course of action to be taken for someone in her position. So have a power of attorney for healthcare prepared to help avoid this quandary. Sudden, unexpected medical emergencies can happen at any time. So it's important to visit with us and discuss your healthcare situations and what you'd prefer to happen if this happens to you. Call our office at 815-394-1776 to book a free consultation and let one of our attorneys talk to you about your needs.